Thursday, January 20th, and my goal today is just to pack up some of the bags that I just don't use. This is my eBay shipping station, as I call it, and there's just some bags that I do use, I do need. It's just I don't need them all out. My eBay store, unfortunately, is going pretty slow. I'm lucky to get 4 or 5 sales in a week. So, yeah. Anyway, so I'm gonna go through that, and then, excuse me, and then I'm gonna go through that right there. So I'll come back and I'll show you how that looks. We're also in my daughter's room today. Hi, Molly. Hi. She's gonna finally pack up her Squishmallows. We're also going to pack up the blankets that she's not using anymore. My daughter loves, and let me repeat this, loves throw blankets of any kind, especially purple and gray. Yep. So anyways, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash, and we're going to pack up just all this right here. And I think she said some shoes, huh, Mom, to finish packing, using up some of these boxes.
This one's done.
Okay, so I'll take that if you want.
This one's...
I'll take that. This is everything you want, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'll take that outside. Well, okay, I'll wait till tape whatever you have, and then I'll take it to the hall. Okay. Is that my It Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Taupe Eyebrow?
Possibly.
Wow. Whatever you don't want, put them in on another box of donations. Okay, and I can go through them, and whatever's no good I'm going to throw away, and whatever's good I will donate. Okay, so have another box of donations right here. Okay. All right, so I forgot I had supplies over here too that I needed to get through. Not these. So I'm going to go through these as well, and then I have my lint rollers that I use for my clothes, for my eBay clothes. Oh my gosh, you're going to fall down. No. So I have these, and I have this is what I use for pretty much everything. These Kroger storage bags, these like bagel snack bags. I'm gonna go through that. I forgot, and then I had all this extra eBay tape that I got from eBay Open for free. They were when I went to the convention in Las Vegas for eBay Open 2019. They gave out all kinds of tape. We started using this to actually tape up our boxes to save us some money, but that tape is really not good for like packaging like that. And then I have this. I'm gonna have to leave some of this out, but I'll see what I'll do. But I could pack some of it because I have some of it here. And look at all this tape. I need it, but I don't need it out. So some of this stuff I got at the Goodwill. See, $1.99, and I used about 2 bags. I bought like 4 or 5 bags of these, and they're good. They're not like dried, or you know what I mean. They're good. So okay, I just wanted to show you that I forgot I had some supplies over there. This is how it's kind of looking. I pretty much am going to keep this stuff out here. So far this is what I'm keeping out, and and then I'm going through this one right here. I'll be back. Okay, so here is this. I'm sorry guys, I'm so tired. I really am. I'll tell you what I did, but anyway, I cleared this side down here, kept a few of the smaller eBay boxes, but the rest I packed, and I'll show you where. So this is just extra boxes for my eBay. Not that I'll need all this, so I think I'm going to just keep a few of these, but for today this is it. 2 boxes of my eBay shipping supplies ready to go downstairs. I moved my scale out here, my printer, and then in here This is how this is. This is all shipping tape that I bought for my eBay, but we're using it for the move. Oh, are you blurry? Is it blurry? I don't know. Extra printing paper. All the bags of all sizes, kept a little bit of each. My stickers that I put on the packaging, scissors, and like Scotch tape and lint roller. That's it. That's all I have here. That's the tape gun that we use, but that's it. That's done. Okay, in my room, I'm washing sheets and stuff. This is the box that I have out for more eBay supplies that I find, or as we get closer to move, start putting the supplies in here that are out. But that's what I have for eBay supplies. I did another round of steam cleaning here on this side, so if you see like patches of dark, it's because it's still wet. I just did it, and so little by little I'm taking a section at a time. See, it's still wet. You could see did all that on that side too. So as the boxes move out, I'm gonna go back, and I figured it, steam cleaning is one of those things that you just, I don't know. I did it when I moved in here. I did mostly all the rooms in one shot. I was extremely exhausted. I like to just take it a section at a time. Okay, in my little guy's room, I steam cleaned, I would say, the majority of his room. Like, you can see patches of wet. Okay, my dog. I steamed from here all the way down here. I still have to do all this side. Got to do a couple more. Today we're removing my makeup table, and I'm going to use this table for now, which is what I use for my eBay stuff. I'm going to put that here. And so he's removing my Alex drawers. And, whoops. He's doing all that. That's what's going on for today. Here's the table that goes on top. Okay, until we see each other again soon, right? Until we see each other again. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let me turn this on. There we go. I'm not taking that down right away because honestly, I need the magnifier. So I just told my husband to leave that on there. Unless Savannah lets me use hers, but does she use her? Yeah, she still uses hers, huh?
I think so.
Because I was going to say, if she brings hers over here.
That's no big deal.
It is? Okay. All right. All right. So I'm just going to vacuum in here. And this is why I want to steam clean little by little so that I can start just steaming in here. Not today. Not today because my steamer it's not ready. But anyway. There we go. Yeah. I can't believe it. We are going to be removing the stove today. My hubby has been cleaning the grids to our stove. This is ours. So we're gonna put back the other one, I think. Yeah, just cleaning that up. Do you want me to pull?
No, it's not heavy.
It's not, okay. All right, so we got that off, or not off, we got that out. I'm taking the backdrop off, and that might as well. Careful, because you're pulling out the paint. So we took the backdrop off. Some of the paint came off. still, some of the paint came off, but we are going to, it's not bad. It's just we have some like textured paint that we could put on there. Huh?
Yeah, I'll get a can.
So, yeah. We'll fix that up, no problem. No problem. And we just have some spray to try to get some of that grease stuff out. In the laundry room, I am taking down a few things that we had up here, but here is a quilt I found. Well, not I found. We put that my mom actually knitted, and I had it on my bed for years. But what happened was it ended up getting like a rip, and I brought it down here so that my mom can like fix the hole, like so she can repair it, but she never got the opportunity to. Let me show you. So she knitted this. It took her a couple years or year and a half or something. So this is like the sham and a quilt, and then she also did a bed skirt as well. So I'm gonna keep it, and I want to give it to my daughter, you know, pass it on to my daughter, but I don't know who can repair. It's on the actual bed spread or whatever, and it's like a big old, like everything came undone, and so she had to like knit it. I don't know how to explain. I'm not good, but anyway. But I'm gonna keep it. Yeah, this is a sham, another sham. But yeah. All right, so the other stove going in. Voila. The back wall texture, we did texturize it, but it's still wet. So you could see we're still wet a little bit, but yeah, it's gonna be okay.
Yeah.
Now we are in my oldest room, and we are going to take down my husband's gonna take down the ceiling fan now. He's on a roll today because he doesn't really take extra days off now that he has his new job. Before he was taking extra days because he was owed a lot of days. So now the weekends are where he really tries to get a lot of these big projects done. So he did the stoves. He's gonna do this. And this morning he woke up so early he made us our dinner. He put it in the crock pot. Stuffed cabbage today, huh? Mm-hmm. So you need my help here? Let me know, okay? So yeah, that's gonna.
It's easy to take down. It's just
okay.
Putting up is the whole.
Okay, so that's gonna come down. I'll be back, guys. So, hubby cannot put the little light that was up there right now because he needs to get some type of extender, huh? Because the cup that goes over that is it's too. It needs something. The screws need to be longer in order to adhere the cup to that, and what's up there now is too short. Anyway, bottom line, we're gonna leave it like that. Anyways, my son is not here, so yeah. Typically, Aaron does not stay here. From Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, he's usually gone. Okay. So we'll continue this part later, tomorrow. All right, so because he couldn't do the fan, he's gonna go ahead and just take the underlights that we bought at Costco. He's just gonna take them down now. And these are really good. I don't know if they have them anymore at Costco, but these are amazing. And I don't know, I just love these. These are so worth it. And they weren't, I don't remember how much we paid. Do you remember how much we paid for these, Chad? Was it $24.99?
Yeah, something like that.
Really good. Really good. And they're like solar, so you put your hand over that and it'll go higher or lower and however you want it, and that's how you turn it on too. Really nice. Oh, they're clipped on there, huh? Yeah. And the plug's still over there. Oh, the brackets. Yeah, I see them. So that's gonna come down today. So it's out. We took it out. So, yep. Some of them are really, really old. My daughter actually went into every single nail polish. I'm gonna go through. This is something I'm going through today. I'm selling all of these. And I actually ended up going through my swimsuits. Guys, 14 women's. There are my shorts. And I can tell you that they don't fit. You saw the house.